Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder. First, go and log in to your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your name, then go to your product section. Now in here, select the website that you want to navigate. Then on the right side, click on Edit Website. Now here, go to the part where you want to add your HTML code, then click on this plus sign button to add a section. Now, from the search bar, go and search for HTML, then add this HTML to your website. Now that you have it, you can now go and paste your code in here. So for example, I want this Canva design for my GoDaddy website. So just go and click on this share button at the top right. Then select on Embed. Now just go and copy your embed code. Then go back to your GoDaddy website. Now under the custom code block, just go and paste your HTML code. Then it will automatically show what the code has to your GoDaddy website. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an HTML code in your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.